Babe, wake up. It's time. It's time to wake up. You don't got all day. Okay, I'm getting up. Don't you see? Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and today we are preparing for a snowstorm. Baby, you're in my way. Oh, sorry. So let's get into it. Okay, put this in my closet. Okay, I'm gonna start taking a bath now. Just going to relax. Put on some soap. And then some on my hair. Okay, I'll put it back on the sink. Get some lotion, oil, whatever it's called. Put some on my body. Okay, that should be good. Time to put on some perfume. Okay, and then brush my teeth. Okay. Okay, that might be a glitch because I don't know what's going on with that brush. And you can't try to fix it like that. Okay. So everybody's dressed. I woke up the kids. They're ready. We're downstairs and we're just waiting and watching TV until the power goes out. Hopefully the power doesn't go out. Me too, Kayla. Me too. Okay, so right now Brittany is like calling her cousin. So, we're just gonna wait to hear any news, I guess. Okay, now all of us are gonna eat this spaghetti. Yum, you made the spaghetti good. Thanks. Yum. Why did you do that? Oops. Why did you do that? I was gonna eat that. Why? Just two, and you just ate it. You're mean. You're so mean. Wow. Don't even know how to share. Sorry, I didn't mean to. Guys, stop arguing. This is unacceptable. Everybody, please take immediately good shelter. Please take immediate good shelter. The snowstorm is heading this way. Guys, we gotta go. I'm so scared. I'm so scared. I don't like this. We gotta go for real. Yeah, we do. This is terribly. Dad, that does not fit in the sentence. Kayla, just be quiet, please. But I'm scared too. Okay, guys. Okay, here's the plan. We go over, to the, I don't know where we go to. We don't have a basement. Well, we could go over to. So guys, we plan to go over this house, but anywho, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like and subscribe. Bye.